Why your energy drops after 50, and the simple daily habits that bring it back. Have you ever wondered why you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? You get out of bed, but your body feels heavy, your mind feels foggy, and by mid-afternoon, you're already counting the hours until bedtime. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. One of the most common concerns people over 50 quietly struggle with is low energy, and many assume it's just normal aging. But here's the truth most people never hear. Losing your energy after 50 is common, but it is not inevitable. In fact, many adults in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s say they feel more energized today than they did 10 years ago. The difference isn't luck. It's understanding what's really draining your energy and fixing it in simple, realistic ways. Let's talk about why your energy drops after 50 and what you can do, starting today, to bring it back. As we age, our bodies become less forgiving of small habits that never used to matter. Things you could get away with at 30 suddenly catch up with you at 55. One of the biggest culprits behind low energy over 50 is muscle loss. Beginning in our 40s, we naturally lose muscle each decade unless we actively work to keep it. Less muscle means a slower metabolism. A slower metabolism means fewer calories converted into usable energy. The result? You feel tired more often, even when you haven't done much. Another major reason people feel tired all the time after 50 is blood sugar instability. Many adults unknowingly ride a daily roller coaster of spikes and crashes. A sweet breakfast, a refined carb lunch, and an afternoon snack might feel harmless, but each spike is followed by a crash. Over time, these crashes feel like constant fatigue, brain fog, and low motivation. Then there's sleep. Not just how long you sleep, but how well. Hormonal shifts after 50 often disrupt deep, restorative sleep. You may be in bed for 8 hours, but your body never fully recharges. You wake up feeling like you never rested at all. And finally, there's something rarely talked about: low-grade inflammation. It doesn't feel dramatic. There's no sharp pain, just a constant sense of heaviness, stiffness, and exhaustion. Inflammation quietly steals energy by forcing your body to work overtime just to maintain balance. Now, here's the encouraging part. When you address these root causes, energy doesn't just come back, it often comes back stronger than expected. Let's start with movement. Not intense workouts, not punishing routines, just daily movement that tells your body it still matters. Gentle strength exercises, walking, light resistance bands. These rebuild muscle and improve how your body uses fuel. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference within weeks. People often say, "I didn't realize how weak I'd become until I started feeling stronger again." Next comes one of the most powerful energy boosters after 50, hydration. Dehydration doesn't always feel like thirst. Often it feels like fatigue, dizziness, or lack of focus. As we age, our thirst signals weaken. So many adults walk around slightly dehydrated all day. Simply increasing water intake, especially earlier in the day, can dramatically improve energy levels within days. Now let's talk about food, because this is where many people unknowingly sabotage their energy. Boosting energy naturally after 50 isn't about eating less. It's about eating smarter. Protein becomes essential. It stabilizes blood sugar, supports muscle, and keeps energy steady. Whole foods like eggs, fish, beans, nuts, and lean meats help prevent those afternoon crashes. When people add protein to breakfast alone, many notice their energy lasting longer through the day. Sleep also deserves attention, but not in the way most people think. Instead of chasing more hours, focus on better sleep signals. Going to bed and waking up at the same time, dimming lights in the evening, and getting morning sunlight all help reset your internal clock. These small habits improve sleep quality, which directly restores energy. And don't overlook stress. Chronic stress drains energy faster than almost anything else. Your body stays in a constant state of alert, burning fuel without recovery. Simple calming routines, slow breathing, short walks, or quiet moments, allow your nervous system to finally rest. When stress lowers, energy often rises naturally. Here's something important to understand. Energy after 50 doesn't return all at once. It comes back gradually. One good morning, then a better afternoon, then a day where you realize you didn't need that extra nap. And eventually, you catch yourself thinking, "I feel like myself again." This isn't about turning back the clock. It's about working with your body instead of fighting it. If you've been feeling tired all the time after 50, Please hear this clearly. Nothing is wrong with you. Your body is simply asking for different care than it used to. And when you listen, it responds. You still have energy ahead of you. You still have good days waiting. And with the right habits, your best years may not be behind you. They may be just beginning. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed your energy changing as you've gotten older? Or have you found something that helped you feel more energized after 50? Share your experience in the comments. Your story could help someone else feel less alone. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a little more energy in their day, and subscribe to Health After 50 for more simple, science-backed ways to feel better as you age. As always, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.